Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Honda CRV 26 to 11 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface, and it comes with plug and play harness. You can check this harness will come with the head unit together. And there are radio antenna with radio antenna. Okay. Let me show head unit. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Honda logo. Okay, change the logo. You can adjust the theme editor. Choose the red, blue, any color you can adjust. Okay. Let me check the all apps are here. You can check this built-in DSP amplifier and Google Maps, Google Play Store, and Z-Link for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the Bluetooth. Let me show the settings. Check the Android version. But machine. You can check MCU version. It's CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, RAM 4GB. It's a PX5 model, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check this 64GB, total 64GB. Okay, let me show the Z-Link. Okay, this is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let me show this original USB for Samsung. Let me show the Android Auto. Connect. There are two USB cable. Connect one of USB. Okay, connected. You can connect this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Connect it. It show connected, but screen show nothing. For this problem, you need to let me disconnect settings. You can check the car settings. And the driving settings, you can turn on the watch video. This for break, watch video, turn on the watch video. And let me try again. Okay, it's work with Android Auto. You can check Android Auto. And this home, you can play video, or you can play music, Google Music. This phone. This is Maps, Google Maps. Home. You can play music. You can play music by Pandora, Spotify. Okay, this is Android Auto. This is the link for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let me show the Bluetooth, their device name and phone number. Okay. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth. Click search button. You will get Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Put the password 40. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. Let me show the Bluetooth from your phone. Volume from okay, this Bluetooth stream music from your phone. This USB driver, and this is USB hub. The phone 1, 2, 3, 4. Our head unit supports USB hub 1, 2, 3, 4 hub. This switch, this USB 3.0. Let me connect to test. Okay, connect USB hub. You can check this switch on. Connect USB. It works. We are playing music automatically. With DSP amplifier. Speaker not good. I just connect the US small speaker to test sound. it's normal. Okay, let me show the video. This Samsung 4K demo video wrote the word. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.